Okay, we're gonna apply this wig, so let's get into it. I am using the EBIN Spray, and I am putting it along my hairline. Let's wait to the end. So we're gonna cut, well, we dried it, and then now we're gonna cut the cap. None of these scissors were working really well, so I had to go through like 3 other scissors to finally find one that actually cuts the cap. Now we're cleaning the edge with alcohol, and then we added our makeup, and then now I am fitting the wig on my head. It actually fit perfectly, I think. Well, yeah, okay, so I think I could wear this glueless. I'm gonna try it glueless one day. So I added the wax stick, and then I am hot combing it to get all the little flyaways out of the way. And then this is me doing the side. I was so scared of the hot comb because it's like really hot. I put it on like the highest temperature, and I think I ended up putting a bald spot in the wig with that high temperature. So next time I'm gonna put it down. And then this side, it didn't look really plucked as much as the other side, so I plucked it some more. And then this is me spraying it. I did it this way because I wanted to try a different way, but next time I'm not doing this because I think this EBIN Spray is for people who know what they're doing. I'm a beginner, so I wouldn't recommend this EBIN Spray. But if you want to purchase it, as if you're like somebody that's been doing wigs for a long time and know what they're doing, you could go on my Instagram and click the link in my bio and use the code I am nessajbeauty to get 10% off. So this is me cutting the lace, and then yeah, this EBIN Spray, for me, it kind of took forever to dry. It's still good, but like I said, if you're somebody that knows what they're doing, then you can use the spray. But if you're a beginner, I say stick to got to be. And then I cut it as much as I can to make it look right, and then the makeup was kind of too light, so it wasn't really blending, so I was like, forget it. But other than that, it looks nice. I just had to fix the lace. The lace wasn't really coming out as much as I wanted it to. And I did curl this wig, but I ended up combing it out. But you're going to see what I do with this wig another day. I did a middle part to put it to the side to show you guys, like, I did a middle part to show you guys, like, how it looked and stuff. But, other than that, I think it looked nice. The only problem was the lace. I need to find a makeup that matches my skin tone, because the makeup that I was using, it was too light. So now I'm just hot combing it, the sides, and making it flat at the top, and this is the final look.